Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix download freeze in Telegram app on Android. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, let's get started with you. And if you have such a situation, when you try to download some media files in the Telegram application, but you have a freeze, such files take a very long time to download or do not download at all. I recommend you to start by going to the settings. To do that, swipe your phone from the right side of your phone from top to bottom and press the gear. Next, swipe down a little bit and select an app or select the app manager. Now when you get to the list of all your apps, you'll see the word Telegram in the bottom row. Open that app and then you'll need to select an option called Mobile Data. In my case, it's Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. And here you will need to enable all these options. If you don't have them active, then activate them. Connect everything. After that, this will ensure that your Telegram is running smoothly and that your Telegram will not disconnect from your mobile data or your Wi-Fi when there's some network issues. I also recommend that you go to battery and select this option right here. And also go to cache and storage and clear cache here. This will help you friends to get rid of junk, unnecessary some files and corrupted. And then hopefully this situation will be fixed for you. And then any media files will be downloaded without hangs. Friends, this is the method you can easily fix Telegram download freeze on Android. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.